Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amore Love and this is going to be a short video of me transforming my sister's hair. She has previously bleached hair that has been colored with Adore dye, which is a color stain, and today we're going to be color correcting it and only using permanent hair color and demi-permanent hair color. Starting in 4 sections, I'm going to be doing just her roots with the permanent hair color, and I'm going to be using 6RV by Ion Color Radiance and 30 volume. After I did it with 30 volume, I could have just used 20 volume, so just note that. I fully saturated just her new growth with the permanent 6RV and 30 volume, and I let that process for half the recommended time on the box. Once it got halfway, I applied the demi-permanent hair color, which is temporary, and I used a 10 volume for that, and I let it completely finish processing. Then I blow dried and flat ironed her hair, and after that we noticed that she really needed a trim, so I gave her a trim. And this is the final results. My sister is growing out all that bleach that has been damaging her hair and going to just use permanent hair color from now on, I think. So yeah. Also, everyone, my sister has a YouTube channel. I will leave the link down below. She will be doing braids and natural hairstyles and a lot of other videos. So please show her some love and subscribe to her channel so you'll be the first to see when she uploads a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.